Ford has just fired 12,000 employees across Europe. Is this a red flag for auto workers? Just like every other car company, Ford has decided to reshuffle its European factories ahead of going all electric in the region. In this regard, our production plant at Valencia is quite notable, where we have seen a significant number of job reductions due to this transition. As Rowley says, we will require less employees to build new electric vehicles. This means that this act will not be limited to just Europe and be ready to see more job losses in the incoming years. The EVs were projecting us to a cleaner and more brighter future. There will be some price for this that is inevitable and could end us in serious issues like unemployment. If I were an employee at Ford or any other car company, I would have started to find a second source of income, because transition to EV is not gonna be easy, and I believe it will really compromise my position in the company.